How's the camera quality on this? Can you guys hear this? This is my fridge freezer. I'm sure you can hear it. I wish I could buy this brand again. What is it? Daewoo? Daewoo? Or Daevoo? I don't know if that's a W or a V. Oh! It stopped. I touched it. It needed some love. But I wish I could buy this brand again because it lasted 10 years. My food was always frozen. Well, not frozen, but always cold and fresh. But I can't seem to find their brand anymore, so it looks like I'm gonna go with I wanted to buy a I forgot their brand. It was an AO.